Have you seen on Lauren's Instagram? They're going on a double date.
What?
With Alex and Jack.
Really?
Yeah. I'll give you information.
Okay.
Okay.
Go.
Okay, so Lauren's Insta, they are going to a double date with A and J. You know? Alex and Jack.
Ugh. Really?
The cuties of the school, right?
Yes.
Go press them.
Okay, I'm on it. See you later.
Alright.
Hugs.
Hugs.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay, I'm getting my popularity back. That's it.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, you guys look great. Yeah. What would you like to order me?
Lauren, you?
Maybe just like a Caesar salad and water. I think I'll just get like, same as Lauren, I guess.
Alright. You ready to order then?
Alright. Let's get the waiter.
Hello. I see you guys are on a double date.
What would you guys like? Sir Collies? What would you like?
I would like ribs with a steak.
Oh, okay, ma'am. I like just the Caesar salad with water. Okay, seems simple enough. And you, sir?
I'd like triple hamburger and Coke.
I see you're not on a diet. Miss, I'll have the same as Lauren. Okay?
Be right back.
Oh, hey, boys. Hey, skinks. What are you doing here, sausage? An experiment. Hello. Ooh, looking nice tonight, aren't you? Who are you saying looks nice tonight? Because obviously you don't. Having fun. Jeez. Get out of my way. You do not touch me like that. What was that for? Why don't you scurry your little sausage legs and get out of this place? I'll have you know, you're the one who's big hairball. You're fatter, uglier, and way less popular. Anyways, look at yourself. Excuse me? At least I spend a decent amount of money on my clothes and I don't buy rags. And I also don't look like a worm! Big-eared worm! Why could you say that to me? Grub! Leave my friend alone. Stop making fun of me. Fun of you? You're the one who called me hairy and a hairball. Alex, what are you doing?
I just...
Get your wormy looking self out of here! What the dog's tail? Oh. Lauren? Oh, my dog! Dude, I need to use the bathroom. Tell me what goes on. Ugh.
Ladies, stop it! Lauren, are you okay? Mia?
That worm! Ugh. Okay, you stay down. Mia, go with Alex, please. Ugh.
Thanks.
Worm. Get off of me! No! I'm not getting off of you! You just did, you little liar! No!
Okay, Lauren, that's enough.
Ugh.
Jesse, I'll have you know that you don't impress me and Jack.
What?